Today I read for you, my heart is drawn. My heart draws me to things that don't make sense to the ordinary observer, moving in a direction that contradicts the norm. With a feeling of wonder, am I doing the right things? Am I taking the right actions? Then I remember, this life is mine to live. I am free to design it in whichever way I please. I can take the gentle and slow route or the quick and fast route. No need to compromise to satisfy the people's dreams. Their vision is not my vision. I'll stay steadfast to my heart's calling. It's all up to me. I trust my heart. I trust myself. I trust my pace of life. I trust the life and the divine plan that are all in my favor. I trust my inner knowing. I will walk on my path, stay true to my lane, preserve the purity of my energy, shield myself from contamination of others' beliefs. I will walk, talk, touch, and sense all that is around me via the intense knowing that I am directed by my soul's guidance system. This poem is called My Heart Draws Me. I'll talk to you soon. Keroy here.